So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, our first time meeting, well, welcome to the channel. My name is Peter Roberts. Now, in today's video, I want to share with you guys exactly what I did to make a lot of cash fast as a teenager. Now, this is probably a method that you've not heard of before, but I want to share with you guys my strategy on what I did, how I even started my first business using this strategy, as well as how I was able to make a lot of money by providing valuable services to people in my community. Now, it's so simple, and more importantly, I was young. I realized that I didn't have many skills, but anyone can literally make money doing this. I'm gonna walk you guys through a step-by-step on exactly what you need to do. But the one thing that I realized, and the one reason I want to make this video, is because I was working on a farm. I was a senior in high school. I had a torn ACL at the time. I was recovering from surgery. I was going through a lot of pain points, and especially my wallet was hurting as well. I was working for $12 an hour on this farm, not making any money, and I knew at the end of the day, I was only going to be making a certain amount every day, which meant at the end of the week, I was going to make $200, $300 every week. Just because I was limited. I had no increase in pay. I had no opportunity to make commission. I had no opportunity to scale my income at this position. So I figured, hey, Peter, it's time for you to make a change. How can you use what you have, what you kind of know right now as a young teenager, and turn this into a side hustle, a business, and start making cash fast? Now, in this video, I'm going to break down that literally what I did and how I turned this all into my first business. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is a platform that I used was for free. This is a free place that I used to make money. So I realized as a young teenager at the time, I didn't have many skills. I didn't have much physical knowledge. I just could use my time, my youth, and my work ethic to compound to make more money. This is the value that I was having in my life. Is the value proposition that I proposed to these people that I was reaching out to. And guess what? I was able to make a lot of money fast. $200 a day, $300 a day, an extra $1,000 even some weeks, all by doing this. So guys, stick with me here. I'm going to break it all down. I just want to share, no matter your age, no matter how much money you want to make, this is a great strategy. The more time that you put into doing this, I can guarantee no one's probably really talked about this. You can really start growing your income and making some extra money all in your community. So the first thing that I do is I went on to the Nextdoor app. I'm going to walk you guys in the computer exactly, break down step by step. But the Nextdoor app is a free community app that really allowed me to leverage my time for money. I realized that I could connect myself, be that young hustler in the community, and find jobs and people that need my help. And that's exactly what I did. So after work, on the weekends, I started to grow my first side hustle all directly on the Nextdoor app. A brilliant app, guys. It just allows you to connect yourself with people in the community, and you're going to start finding work. So let's jump into and explain exactly what I did. But the first thing is I realized that I had to offer some type of service, whether it's lawn care, power washing, going out there, scrubbing steps, painting decks, doing whatever I could to physically go out there and hustle, because I knew I could provide these services. It doesn't take a lot of expertise or knowledge to do it. You can watch a YouTube video. You can go on Facebook Marketplace to get your equipment to even get started. Or even better, I borrowed my equipment to do these jobs from my dad. My dad would be like, hey, dude, just take my stuff. It's okay. Now, at first, he was a little hesitant. He's like, there's no way you're going to turn this into a business. But what you'll see, guys, and what I'll share with you in the end is that once you start doing great work, once you actually start connecting yourself with people in the community, well, guess what? You can start generating a real business. No matter how old, how young, your experience, if you can connect, provide value to someone else, well, guess what? By word of mouth, I was growing a natural business all by using a free platform. So on the free platform here, let me show you guys what it looks like, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're directly into the Nextdoor app. As you can see on the left, the beautiful Nextdoor symbol. If you have not yet, go over to the right-hand corner, sign up. It's a free app. Type in your address, and you should be good to go. It's a very simple model to get started. So what I would do here, as you can see, in the messaging section, just to give you guys some proof, I had messages piling up all from using this strategy that launched my first business, that made me a lot of money on the weekends and allowed me to make a lot of cash fast, literally $300-$400 every day going out there in the community helping people. So let me break you guys down step by step on what I would do and what you should do if you want to make more money right now. So what you would do is go into the Nextdoor app, search by your community, and I would just look up like lawn mowing services. or just look up lawn mowing. Now for me, you can look up any service that you know. If you know plumbing, if you know electrician, if you're an electrician, if you know how to power wash, if you want to go out there and trim trees, if you want to go out there and provide a cleaning service, if you want to go out there and wash cars, if you want to provide some type of service that anyone can do, here is where you find your customers. So as you can see here, most people are going to be businesses, but what you're going to see right here is people doing exactly what I did. Right here, this guy, Earl, I'm 17 years old, going through the summer trying to cut grass, and you're going to see that people are going to eventually reach out to you. So the first way you can do is just post in here and just market your services all for free. People are going to connect. Share your story, be personable, and guess what? People are going to reach out to you. Now the second way, guys, is as you can see right here, not too long ago, someone in the community asked, looking for someone to cut my grass. Now, literally, this is the point of this video. People in your community, people that you know that are living within a 1 to 3 mile radius, are looking for someone that provides a valuable service that can help them do something. So if you wanted to make cash, this is exactly what I do. I'd hit up Shane. I say, hey Shane, my name is Peter Roberts. I am a 20-year-old kid in the community looking to help start my first lawn care and landscaping business. Is there any way I can help? Give you a quote. I love to help you and look forward to helping you, provide this type of service. Something like that. Explain your age. Use your age as an advantage. Use being young. Use being like a guy that's willing to hustle. People love to help other people. So keep this in your, arsenal of tools of how you can land this business over other people. DM them directly, and then secondly, comment under the post. So what I would do is I'd click on this post. I would then click on his profile here. Let's go here, looking for his quick little profile, and then I'd go ahead and send him a direct message. Now that's the first thing that I explained there for you. And then right here, what I would go is I'd go back, and as you can see, we have about 10 comments in there. People are going to comment. There's a lot of competition, but the DM is going to separate you. So what I would do, guys, the strategy to make cash, go on the Nextdoor app, search in the search bar here. Let's look up power washing. Now, if you literally stalk this platform every day, create new ads, check people like, hey, I need someone to do this. I need someone to help me fix this deck. If you go on this feed, earlier it was a lot more vulnerable. Now there's more ads on this platform, but if you could just stalk literally the homepage of people in your neighborhood commenting, like there's random stuff all the time, but someone will say something like this. Someone will say something similar to what Sarah has just said, looking for a babysitter recommendation. So if you are someone that has this skill, whether it's going out there watching children, going out providing some type of service, you can hit them up, you can explain how you can help them, how you can solve their problem, and guess what? You will start building up clients. You will start your first business, and guess what? Over time, you will start making a lot of cash. So at first, you have to be willing to hustle. You have to be willing to go out there and actually find these clients, and that's exactly what I showed you guys today with the Nextdoor app. So if you're a young hustler, if you want to start making more cash in your life, if I needed to make money right now, the first place that I'd go would be running onto the Nextdoor app. This is free money people are posting that are giving away if you're willing to hustle and work. The problem is, the one thing that I realized, and one of the best lessons that I learned at a young age using this method, actually making this cash, is that I realized that one, people don't like to work. People are lazy. So take advantage of lazy people. My dad always used to say, why are you going out there cutting these people's grass? Like, are they that lazy? And I would take this and be grateful. I love when people are lazy because more people are going to be willing to pay me, which actually grew my first business. The second thing that I learned is that there is so much work out there. There is an unlimited supply of people that are willing to pay you. So especially if you're young, especially if you want to make extra money on the weekends, start your first side hustle, this is the platform. This is the place to be. Even on Facebook Marketplace, even on Facebook, find people, because there is no such thing as competition. You can always get your foot in the door. You can always find a way to relate, connect with people, and guess what? They're going to exchange your service for paper money. You're going to get paid, and guess what? You're going to be a happy camper. And last thing I have to understand, the one thing that I really learned is the power of value. The more value that you can provide, the more skills that you know, the more money that you can make. So let's go on this platform. Let's utilize these skills. Let's kind of double, triple. Let's scale and double down on these skills. Start launching a team. And guess what? You have just built a business all from one free platform. So guys, don't be discouraged. Go out there and make cash. This is exactly what I would do if I needed to make money, because if I was broke, if I was hungry, I knew that I could find or use my skills, my ability to just go out there and hustle, my ability to help someone else in return for money. If I lost everything, this is exactly what I would do, is go directly on the Nextdoor app, find a way to get this equipment, find a way to get my hands dirty, and find a way to help someone else, because I knew at the end of the day that I would get paid, I would get cash in my pocket, and I can start launching something else. So guys, be hungry, be motivated, go out there and be creative. Use these tools. If you have any questions on how to message someone, like what do I do if I don't have the equipment, like how can I just go out there and like start this business, like what do I need to do, Peter, please hit me up in the comment section, hit me up on DMs, guys. The Nextdoor app is a powerful platform. And more importantly, guys, I use it to launch my first business, and I've done so much random work. I've trapped raccoons, I've painted decks, I've fixed roofs, I did gutters, all as a 19, 18, 17-year-old, just willing to hustle. That has led to me to have, a decent, savings that allow me to build an investment portfolio, that allow me to just, move into my apartment, that allow me to just start building wealth in my age, all from a platform of me going out there, grinding, working after hours at work, going after starting my first side hustle, which led into a business, going out there and growing my business, currently using this platform, as well as just trying to help as many people. The impact in this community, the ability to go out there and actually help someone, is one of the most rewarding feelings. Not only do you get paid, do you become a little bit richer, but you also get to help someone, and it just feels great. So the act of service is so beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If there's anything else I can do for you beautiful people, go ahead and smash that subscription button if this brought you any value. If there's anything I can help you with, just know I'm always here to help. And more importantly, guys, I will see you in the next video. Quick announcement, your boy's dropping a podcast on Saturday, every Saturday. So if you think that's something that you want to tune into, I still have to put that together, but I'm super excited to share that with you guys as well. So love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Take care and peace out. Cheers.